hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Shy. I know I look crazy. I just got off work literally, and I told y'all, let me fix this camera. But I told y'all what kind of vlogmas this was gonna be, because I'm always on the go. Y'all, I cut my hair a little bit because I just felt like it. I was telling my hairdresser, it just felt dry. And well, this is not even the purpose of the video. So first of all, y'all, so we're gonna do an unboxing today in the car. I got this big green coat on, like it's 20 degrees outside, but it's not. But I'm just cold natured, so you know. But anyways, before we get into the video, you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. And today we're doing a unboxing. I got a Sephora package. Oh my gosh, y'all, I had this package for like a week, and I was all like, I'm just gonna wait. Let me turn these lights on. Perfect. I was like, I'm just gonna wait until I do this video to open it. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. You guys, welcome to the channel. If I have any new subscribers, welcome. So y'all, real quick video, real quick and simple. Let's see what I got in here. Wow. So let's start with the samples. Y'all know I love a good sample. I'm not gonna even butcher this, but this is one of the samples that is in the box. Let me smell it. I guess it's like some kind of perfume. It's really not that bad. I'm gonna have to buy me this. This smells good, y'all. This smells really good. I'll show y'all one more time. I can't even explain it, but it smells really good. It's giving me soft girl. Like, I might have to buy this one day. Go ahead and put that back in the box. And then I also got My Way by Giorgio Armani. Let's see how this one smells. I don't know if I ever smelled this before. I hate when they don't have the things already open for you. Like, why is it closed up like this? I might have to spray it on my other hand. I need some more perfume. That just came out crazy. It's giving very floral. It's very sweet. And I mean, it smells good. But I don't think I'm too much of a floral person. It smells good though. It smells good. I don't know. Okay, y'all. So, oh my gosh. If you guys don't know, so I've been wearing the Dior Forever Skin Concealer for like almost 2 years now. And they like discontinued. I don't know how to explain it. They discontinued like the way they used to do it, and then they started doing it a new way. So this is my first bottle of like the new Forever. If it let's see if this thing, if it it don't want to do it for y'all. It don't want to. I don't know why. Dang. Well, this is the new bottle. Okay, there you go. And it's smaller. And okay, so I got it in the same shade I would usually get it in, because I like to use it for my highlights, for highlighting, contouring, and highlight. That's why I got such a light color brown, because I use it to highlight. We we gonna vibe with it. It's definitely smaller than what it used to be. That it is. It's definitely smaller. It don't, for some reason this little bottle don't want to it don't want to clear up for y'all. I still got a little cough. It's not as bad as it was though. Definitely not as bad as it was. Dang, that just reminded me I gotta make some more stops. I'm telling y'all, that's why I'm always in this car. I'm always on the go. God dang it. So yeah, y'all. So hopefully this is as good as the old bottle. I'm scared. We'll see. I'm scared. We'll see. We'll see. Because I'm almost out of my old bottle. I don't have that bottle for like a long time. Alright, y'all. So, oh, I have another like free sample thing. Oh, and this is kind of cute because it's like a whole bottle, like a real life. Not sure if y'all can see that, but it's like a real live like sample. It's called Good Fortune by Victor and Rolf. I got all these perfumes on right now, so I really can't. I don't even want to put it on, but I'm gonna try that out. Appreciate that. Alright, so other than that, y'all, I was all like, I need to get me a new palette. I haven't bought myself a new palette in so long. Focus, camera, focus. So I decided, I seen this Too Faced palette on sale at Sephora for like $22, I think. Better Than Chocolate. So it's a chocolate palette. I'm kind of excited. This is my first Too Faced palette. I'm usually like a color pop, I couldn't even say it, color pop or Kylie type of palette girl. And my palettes be lasting, but I love the boxing. I love the boxing. Okay, Too Faced. I always wanted to try Too Faced too. Ooh, it's so pretty, y'all. It is so pretty. I can't wait to use this. It's so pretty. OMG. OMG. This is so pretty. Y'all can see y'allself in it. You see the camera? This is gorgeous, y'all. See the colors? Gorge. I'm gonna treat this very nicely, okay? Okay? This is cute. So, yeah, you guys. That is my Sephora unboxing. Maybe I'll do some reviews on this stuff. Especially, might come back and do a review on this Forever Skin Correct. Cause I am scared, y'all. I'm scared. And then, like, it's way smaller than... Now I see why they... Lock my doors. Oh, they already locked. But now I see why they rebranded. Because, like, this bottle is, like, way smaller than the old one. That is crazy. That is so crazy, y'all. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for opening my box with me, my package. Yes, yes, yes. This is a day, what, 6 or 5 of Vlogmas, you guys. Happy Vlogmas. I hope you guys are watching my other Vlogmas videos. They haven't been doing so well, so I think I decided ooh, I decided to start putting Vlogmas in the titles, because I noticed that when I put Vlogmas in the titles, the vlog really don't do as well as I want it to do. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.